Hey, Judy, not much.
Oh, I was heading to recess and I ran into the new kid. What's his name?
I think you said it was Billy Blue Nose.
Nuh-uh.
Blue Nose.
Well, it is kind of blue.
Where do you think he moved from? Blueville?
Oh, yeah. Blueville is an amazing city, I hear. Lots of blueberries.
I love blueberry pancakes. Yum! You think old Blue Nose will make us some? Maybe on Share Day?
Ooh, here he comes now.
Hey there, my name is
Blue Nose! Yeah, we heard.
Blueberry pie. I hear that's your name.
I'm blue, da da dee da 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 da
dee da
That's not my name. I'm sorry. Are you feeling blue?